Here we have a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. And yes, this is a real SS, a 138 code. It is numbers matching, 396. It has power steering, power brakes, and factory AC. The car is absolutely stunning. If you look, it is set up about as correctly looking from the factory as you could be, including the rally wheels, Roman red paint. And we'll get a look down the sides here. You'll see how nice and straight this car is as well. This car came to us just the way you see it from a collector and a customer of ours that just decided it was time to let someone else play with this beauty. So whoever the next person is going to be pretty dang on lucky. We'll leave it at that. As you can see, the chrome, the trim, the bright work is in great shape as well. There's a look down the side again. And as I mentioned, this is a numbers matching real 138 code SS Chevelle. We'll get a look at the interior here. It's a red on red. Factory bucket seats, of course. Oh, did I mention it's also a 4-speed? I mean, what else would you possibly want in a 67 Chevelle? You got factory air, big block 4-speed car with the correct console in it as well. Look at the back seat here for you. Headliner's in great shape too. Take a look at the VIN. Alright, we'll pause this. We'll get a look at the engine and hear it run. Alright, here we are under the hood. As I mentioned, numbers matching. Big block, 396. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Out of the towel tag. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Yeah, we'll go around it with the car running so you can. This car absolutely sounds as good as it looks. Just screams muscle car. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are welcome. Financing is available. And this car is eligible for an extended warranty as well. So make sure you ask if you have questions about that also.